who has become the first professional golfer in the world to receive the prestigious 10-year Dubai Golden Visa. Jeev Milkha Singh. Which state has achieved the top position in the installation of off-grid solar pumps under PM Kusum? Haryana. Naukhai is a harvest festival celebrated by the native of which Indian state? Odisha. Who has been sworn in as the Chief Minister of Gujarat? Bhupendra Patel. Who has been appointed as the new acting chairperson of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal? Justice M. Venugopal. Which player has won the US Open 2021 men's singles title? Daniel Medvedev. India has launched the Climate Action and Finance Mobilization Dialogue with which country? United States. Which company's co-founder Gaurav Gupta has decided to step down? Zomato. Which space tech startup has become the first private company to formally sign an agreement with ISRO for using its expertise and facilities? Skyroot Aerospace. Who has become the first woman excavation engineer to work in an open cast mine at Central Coalfields Limited? Shivani Meena. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Lebanon? Nazib Mikati. National Forest Maritime Day is being observed on which day? September 11. Which country has allowed the International Atomic Energy Agency to replace memory cards of cameras monitoring its nuclear sites? Iran. Which Indian state has launched the Millet Mission? Chhattisgarh. Which state's assembly has passed a bill seeking a permanent exemption to the state from meat? Tamil Nadu.